Not so good. He still hasn't found anything. I'm starting to think he stopped looking. My dad? Oh, he's pissed. If Dan doesn't find a job soon, he's gonna stop paying our rent. He thinks he's enabling Dan's laziness. And I can't really argue with that. Saturday? Yeah, I think I can do Saturday. Hold on.
I got 15,000 views in the last 12 hours. At that rate, I'm going to be the top ranked fireplace video by the end of the month. You still think this is stupid, don't you? You know, I'm going to make some good money on this. You're not going to be laughing at me then. I'm going to beat Crump. Forget it.
Sorry. Yeah, that was Dan. I don't know. I mean, he makes videos of fires in our fireplace, then uploads them on YouTube. Apparently, there are a number of people who play those videos on their TVs to simulate a fire in their living room. I guess you make money from the ads attached to your video. Just as well, sometimes he's in there filming for hours. He's obsessed. Yeah, keeps him from bothering me. I know.
Two beers?
Oh,
Cheers.
thanks.
Thanks a lot. Mate, that's awesome. 15,000 hits. Is that a lot?
Yeah, it is. I mean, at this rate, I'm going to beat Crump's best video in a matter of weeks.
Who or what is Crump?
Crump. Crump is the fireplace video king. He was the first to record a 3-hour continuous video without looping.
Looping?
Looping means recording the same 15 minutes over and over again. All the best videos are one continuous recording. This one, mine, it's 12 hours. There are no other 12-hour videos out there. I mean, that's gotta be why it's so popular.
Probably, but look, congratulations, mate. I'm really happy for you.
Thanks. You know, I think this could take my YouTube channel to the next level. I mean, I can make some good money on this, which is important because I gotta get Lisa and her dad off my ass.
How's that going? With Lisa?
It's tough. I mean, I'm really trying, but I don't know.
Look, forget about them for now. Let's have a beer and celebrate, because you are the new fireplace video king. Come on.
Thanks.
Cheers. worry too much. Dan's oblivious.
Okay, but you have to hurry this time.
Fuck. Fuck. It's me. I think I know why Dan's fireplace video is so popular.
What are you doing here?
You weren't expecting me. Dan's invited me for a barbecue.
Oh, yeah, of course. Come in.
So, where's Dan?
We both just missed him. He texted me to tell me he's getting beer. He doesn't want wine.
And how long will he be gone?
Should be back in 30 minutes. He gets his beer from this specialty store that sells microbrews.
So that's perfect.
We don't really have time for that now.
Sure we do.
But he almost caught us last time.
You worry too much. Dan's oblivious.
Okay, but you have to hurry this time. Hey. Are you going for another record? 14 hours maybe this time?
No. My last video was out of focus, so I deleted it and I'm starting over.
So you took it off YouTube?
Yeah. It was horrible. I hated it.
Well, that's a shame, but I guess you wanted it to be perfect, so it's probably a good idea. How's the new one coming?
I'm starting it now. Why don't you come in and enjoy it? Bring a glass of wine.
Okay, that'd be nice. Dan, what are you doing with that? Honey, can you please turn on the fire?
Yeah, sure.
Looks like Fires by Dan has a new video. This guy doesn't have a life.
Honey, come sit down. The food will get cold.
Do you want some wine?
Just half a glass, please.